Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. So let us move ahead and check out the set. So what we have been given is that each of the four diplomats, Kabir, Lakshman, Manan and Nayodita, worked for an integral number of years in each of the three countries, US, UK, China. Okay. Then the sum of the number of years spent in the three countries together were distinct for four diplomats, and the sum of the number of years spent by four diplomats together in US, UK, and China were 11, 13, and 13. All right. Chalo. No diplomat spent equal number of years in any two country, and no two diplomat spent an equal number of years in any country. Okay. So boss, it's a classic distribution set. Okay. So let's first make our table. Okay. So what you have is the country. ठीक है, so country में क्या क्या है बॉस? US, UK and China. ठीक है, US, UK and China, and then you have the total का column. ठीक है, and you have four diplomats. The first one is Kabir, second is Lakshman, third is Manan, and fourth is Nayodita. ठीक है, let's make our table, है ना? All right, चलो ठीक है. Okay. Now what do we have? We have been given कि boss, अच्छा total के लिए let's also make a column for the respective countries. ठीक है, because we have been given that the in US total years spent is 11, for UK it's 13, and for China it's 13. Now the total number of years are 37. That means इसका sum is also going to be 37. ठीक है, so let us start writing what the direct information that has been given. So it says कि number of years spent by Kabir and Manan in China were 4 and 1. So Kabir is 4 in China and Manan is 1 in China. Okay. Now sum of the numbers of years spent in three countries together by Manan was not less than that of Kabir. Okay. So Kabir ka total is was not less than that of Kabir. Okay. So Kabir ka total is either less or equal to that of Manan ka total. Okay. Now it says कि भाई the sum of number of years spent in three countries together by Lakshman was 15. So was Lakshman ka total has given to you is 15. Okay. Then it says कि was the absolute difference between number of years spent by Kabir in USA and number of years spent by Manan in UK is 2. Okay. So there is a difference of 2 between Manan and Kabir in UK. ठीक है, absolute difference अच्छा in by Kabir in US and Manan in UK is of 2. ठीक है, then it says कि boss among the three countries Nayodita spent the least time in UK and maximum time in China. ठीक है, so this has been given. Okay, so no, okay, a direct information, if you talk about, very less amount of direct information has been given. ठीक है, very less amount of direct information has been given. But what you see is guys कि भाई it has been said कि no diplomat spent equal number of years in any two countries, and no two diplomats spent an equal number of years in any country. For China, you have been given 4 plus 1, 5. That means remaining is 8, and that is to be distributed between Lakshman and Nayodita. Okay. Now they cannot be equal. So what are the possibilities? You have possibility of 5, 3. Okay. You have the possibility of 5 and 3. You have the possibility of 6 and 2. Okay. There is no 4 and 4 possible. There is no 7 and 1 possible. Okay. So these two are the possible cases that we get. Okay. Chalo. Acha. Now you also see one thing कि भाई no diplomat spent an equal number of years in any two countries. ठीक है, so if no they have spent at least 1 year and no one has spent equal, so minimum they can have is 1, 2 and 3. So minimum everybody is going to spend 6 years. ठीक है, minimum everybody is going to spend 6 years out of 37. You have the data for 15 for Lakshman. ठीक है, so remaining is 22 years. ठीक है, and nobody is going to spend less than 6 years. ठीक है, so what are the possibilities that you have? Let's see. So boss, for 22, if you take 6, 7 and 8, you go to 21. Okay, 6, 7 and 8, you go to 21. Okay, now you cannot have, you have 6, 7, 8 minimum possible. Okay, if 6, 7, 8 as minimum possible, now you cannot have this as, and this takes you to a total of 21. Okay, this takes you to a total of 21. You cannot have a 7, 7, 8. That's not possible. You cannot make it 6 and take this to 8 and this to 8. That's not possible. Okay, so the only possibility for the remaining 3 is that one is going to have 6, one is going to have 7, and the other one is going to have 9. So that is the only possibility you have for the total number of years for the remaining 3 people. Okay, for the remaining 3 people, you have this possible case. Okay, chalo, then let's see what do we have. Okay, acha. you see that the number of years, or I guess I lost my internet connection, so let's resume. Okay, so what do we have? Ki bhai, it has been given. Read the statement one. It says ki number of years spent by Kabir and Manan in China were 4 and 1. Okay, so they are 4 and 1. Okay, 4 and 1 they are. Okay, acha, Kabir has already spent 4 years. Okay, he cannot spend 1 plus 1. There is no possibility of him spending 1 plus 1. The best he can do is 4 plus 1, 4 plus 2 plus 1. That is minimum 7 years he needs to spend. ठीक है, मिनिमम 7 years he needs to spend. ठीक है, तो चलो कबीर का हो गया कि he needs to spend at least 7 years. ठीक है, अच्छा, now you see कि भाई कबीर के लिए है ना, for कबीर if you see, अच्छा, where is it, हाँ, second point you read कि together in 3 countries Manan was not less than that of Kabir. ठीक है, Manan was not less than that of Kabir. ठीक है, so if Kabir is 7, ठीक है, if Kabir is 7, minimum 7, ठीक है, and Manan cannot be less than him. ठीक है, so Manan has only possibility of going to 9, and that means he will have 6 countries. ठीक है, that means Nayodita will have 6 countries. That is certain. ठीक है, चलो, now you see what is left. ठीक है, now let's see what is left. अच्छा boss, now you see among the 3 countries Nayodita spent the least time in UK and maximum in China. अच्छा, for 6 there is only one possibility, 2 plus 1 plus 3. ठीक है, now least in UK, so least in UK means 1 year in UK, maximum in China, that means 3 years in China, and that means 2 years in US. ठीक है, now for China if you see 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8, so this goes to 5, this becomes 5. ठीक है, now this becomes 5. ठीक है, अच्छा, now you see that for Kabir you have 2 columns left and you have to fill up a 7. 2 columns are left and you have to fill up a 7. For Lakshman you have to fill up a 10, and for Manan you have to fill up a 8 from 2 columns. ठीक है, now for Manan if you talk about what are the possibilities, you can have a 5 and 3, or you can have a 6 and 2. ठीक है, these are the only possibilities. There is no 4 and 4 possible. ठीक है, there is no 7 and 1 possible. ठीक है, अच्छा, for Kabir if you see what are the possibilities, so there is a possibility of 4 and 3, but that's also out because he already has a 4. So the next possibility is 5 and 2. ठीक है, the next possibility is 5 and 2, or you have the possibility of 6 and 1. ठीक है, so these are the possibilities that you have. Sorry, he only has 3 to fill, right? Sorry, so he only has 3 to fill. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. He only has 3 to fill, and that means the only possibility is 2 and 1. That's the only possibility. ठीक है, अच्छा, regarding that what has been given, the number of years spent by Kabir in US and Manan in UK was 2. Difference is 2. So let's say Kabir spends 2 years in US. Okay, so Manan has to spend 4 years in UK, but that's not happening in any of the cases. So one thing is certain, that Kabir will have 1 in US, and in that case Manan will have 3 in UK. Now if Manan has 3 in UK, he will have 5 in US, and Kabir will have what? This becomes 2 in UK. Okay, and respectively now you can fill the data for Lakshman as well. It's 2 3 5 plus 1 6, so remaining is 7, so 7 goes over here. It's 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8, so 3 goes over here. The set is complete. Okay, moving on to the questions. Number of years spent by Nayodita in UK, so you can see that is 1, option number B. Difference between the number of years spent by Manan in US and Nayodita in China, so that's the difference of 2. So option number A is the right answer. And among the 4 diplomats who spent the least time in China, so you can see Manan spent only 1 year, so option number A is the right answer. So with this, the set is complete, guys, and hope you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching the video.